Alright, welcome to Super Monkey Ball Part 2. We are continuing our quest to beat this game. Turn the volume down a little bit so you can hear my voice. Story mode. Yes, story mode. We are not yet done with World 1. Yes, I have 2 fields on this. I'm playing one by myself and doing YouTube one, so we'll catch up later. What the hell is this? Ah! I love how we only get a minute to win it. And you could go up to how many other speeds that you want, but I highly not recommend that for World 2. And why are the bananas all in corners? See, I don't have that many bananas because I don't go to the edge like I just did. I focus on beating it, so I have 4 bananas. I have 4 bananas. Oh, what else? The last 3. Last 3 in this world. Could we get through World 1 today? Let's roll it. Oh! We went a little faster on the slopes than I anticipated. No! Yes, of course I'm going to retry. In order to win this, you gotta fight through all the worlds. This is being ahead of the curve. And oh, shite. You guys can get this game on your GameCube. That is if you play old school games on the GameCube. Oh, shite. This is very confusing. It got very confusing towards the end. Spinning top. See, now when I play this game, I don't remember this part. See, I like how in the little corner it tells you how fast you are going. Okay, so what the hell do I do? Oh. Never mind that. No bananas, I'm doing that. Ha! And this is it for this world. This world is fun. It's been fun watching this world. Or playing it, rather. What? See, I love about this no railings to guide you. I feel sorry for the people who go zooming past this because it's just not that fun. Oh, shite! See? If you zoom, if you go on speeding, that's what's gonna get you. A good 20 to 30 miles per hour pace is good. Maybe 40. Ah! Don't go 40. Don't try not to go over 30. Like this. And then you slow down when you come to the jump. I like playing games, but I don't like videotaping them. Just kidding, I like playing them when I know someone's watching so I can prove just how a terrible gamer I am. But on these kind of games, I'm pretty good at it. There's actually more to it than just story mode. You can do a challenge mode, which we will explore that later. I imagine this is what the first one is like, except easier. See, well, it's for little 10-year-olds, but it's just a fun game. It sounds like it's for 2-year-olds, so a 2-year-old to play this. For some reason, I do not remember this one. Ah! Are we sure we're on World 1 and not World 3? We are getting to World 2 today. And many people want to see me play Slender. A lot of people, and it's not people online, it's people at school, they want to see me play Slender. If you're on my first hour computer, I've played Barrels. Barrels was easy without volume. I mean, the first 30 times I played barrels, I didn't get it right, but because I didn't know what to do. I didn't even know what control stuff was. I don't even look for that stuff. I just start going. Oh! Fallout. Hold on, I'm checking my time. Hold on, I'm gonna. Okay, 67 minutes to win it. And we've been on about this forever. I was hoping to get to World 2 today. Well, we'll make this part 2 of part 1. Ah! I don't remember this game being so hard. For a children's game, it's difficult. Oh, shit! You. Fuck you. Excuse my language, but fuck you. Okay, no. Turn slow. I said slowly, not at 36 miles an hour. And do the curve. Not at 40, you freaking idiot. Oi. I'm beyond the point of caring right now. I'm beyond the point of caring. And yes, I don't know why I'm doing a weird voice while I do this. Maybe because I think I'm PewDiePie. No, you motherfucker. If I was doing my normal voice, you wouldn't be liking me right now. I get very tense when I play these kind of video games. When you just keep dying for no reason. I'm talking about, I don't think this is a kid's game anymore. I am literally thinking that he's not even looking ahead of him. He's not looking ahead of him. See, he's looking for what he wants to go and where he wants to go, not what's in front of him. Oh, I'm so close to dying again. Oh! No! Yes! We did it! I mean, I did it! Yes! Okay. To survive, we've got to help get all the bananas back. Then we have to stop Dr. Baboon before he causes more trouble. But, where is he now? He's over your freaking head! Oh, my sweet Mimi, I am here for you. If you marry me, I'll give back all the bananas. Marry you? Ew! I would rather starve to death than marry you. Your words hurt me, but it is your fault. You must be influenced by this village. My sweet Mimi, I don't think you should live here anymore. I will sink this island. Then, my dear, you'll see how strong I am. If you won't love me, then learn to despise me. Hee. This guy seems really full of himself. Oh no, what have I done? Now he's really gone mad. I'll never let him sink this island. Okay, well, we will cut it here. See you next time.